Hi everyone, it is Jan here from NC Art. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I am working on a 60 by 60 centimeter canvas today that is roughly 24 by 24 inches. It's a gallery wrapped canvas. It is a deep edge and I have taped it on the back, put my push pins in. I'll just quickly run through the colors that I'm using. The base coat for the upper part is Decoart Rich Espresso, and the consistency is fairly thin, as you can see. Just leaves a trace and then disappears immediately. The base coat for the lower part of the canvas will be Rust-Oleum's Champagne, which I got from my very wonderful friend Taniva. Thank you, Taniva. Colors that I'm using is Decoart Satin Enamels in the neutral beige, and then I use a Decoart Satin Enamel warm white, and then I am using the Amsterdam Standard series. I am using the Titanium Buff Deep. And the next one is again Amsterdam Standard series, and that is in the what's it called? Sorry, Pewter. Just lost it there. And another one from Amsterdam Standard is the Graphite. Yeah, there you go. Also, I'm using Amsterdam Standard series in the black, Oxide Black. And all of these are mixed with the American Floetrol, the US Floetrol, and also my Liquitex pouring medium and GAC 800. This is all a challenge piece from Kathleen Osmore's Patreon group. The challenge that we got was we had to do a flip cups as well as swipes on the pieces. We could choose our colors, we could choose anything else that we wanted. So as you can see, I'm just putting on the top part of this, I put down that Rich Espresso, and I'll do flip cups on those, and then on the lower part you'll see that I'm doing swiping. I am swiping with titanium white and oxide black mixed with Australian Floetrol on the lower part. To get some selling, not a lot, but there's just a little selling. The rest of the cells that you see form on the bottom part is just from the consistency of these paints that I'm using. And yeah, I don't think that I'll be saying much more. I'll just be playing some music for you. I hope that you enjoy this. I really love this piece, how it came out. Oh, what I forgot to say about the challenge is that it should also be a landscape of some sort. Could be a seascape, a landscape, cityscape, some sort of scape, I guess. But I hope that you enjoy this. Do stick around to the end. You'll see some wonderful dried results. And thanks again for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin. of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 7799? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait to begin. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you.